Hello everyone. Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Pvt Ltd. We all know about the roll-fed liner insertion machine, but have you heard about the sheet-fed liner insertion machine? I guess you may not have. The sheet-fed liner insertion machine is the world's first of its kind, manufactured by Five Fingers Exports. In this video, we'll dive into the key differences between the roll-fed liner insertion machine and the innovative sheet-fed liner insertion machine. Let's explore how each machine operates and what sets them apart. Raw materials used. Roll-fed liner insertion machine designed to handle both BOPP laminated PP woven rolls and unlaminated PP woven rolls that can be printed or unprinted. The sheet-fed liner insertion machine, designed to handle a range of cut sheets in tubular form, including paper-laminated HDPE or PP woven sheets, PP woven laminated sheets, and BOPP laminated PP woven sheets. Production speed. The roll-fed liner insertion machine operates at an impressive production speed of 30 to 35 bags per minute, making it highly efficient for high-volume packaging applications. The sheet-fed liner insertion machine also operates at a production speed of 30 to 35 bags per minute, offering the same level of efficiency as the roll-fed version. This ensures that manufacturers can meet high production demands while maintaining the versatility and precision required for specialized packaging. Production process. The production process for the roll-fed liner insertion machine includes several steps: roll cutting and liner inserting, followed by folding and stitching, and finally stacking the finished bags. The production process for the sheet-fed liner insertion machine involves auto-feeding, liner inserting, followed by stitching, then attaching sleeves, and finally stacking the finished bags. This process ensures precision and quality, making the machine suitable for producing bags for specialized packaging needs. In sheet-fed liner insertion machine, the sleeve can be attached before or after the stitching process. If the sleeve is attached before stitching, there is no glue needed, but if the sleeve is attached after the stitching, the heat-activated glue is used to attach the sleeves. Loading capacity. The loading capacity of the PP woven roll in a roll-fed liner insertion machine can handle rolls weighing up to 500 kilograms. The sheet-fed liner insertion machine, the loading capacity is impressive, as it can hold up to 500 pieces of tubes in a single loading. This capability enhances the machine's efficiency, allowing for quick and continuous production. Manual power. In the roll-fed liner insertion machine, only one operator and one helper are necessary to operate the machine. In the sheet-fed liner insertion machine, only one operator and one helper are required to run the machine. Applications. The applications of the roll-fed liner insertion machine include sugar bags, fertilizer bags, flour bags, and chemical bags. The applications of the sheet-fed liner insertion machine include milk powder bags, chemical bags, fertilizer bags, and animal feed bags. Now we reach the conclusion. In today's video, we explored the main differences between the roll-fed liner insertion machine and the sheet-fed liner insertion machine. To feel the machine, join us for a free live demonstration in our factory and know more about the machine. See you in the next video.